This tutorial will guide you through managing courses effectively. You will learn how to create, configure, and finalize courses step by step. To access courses, click on the Courses menu. To add a course, click on Add New. Start by providing the course name. An automatic course code is generated by the system. You can modify the course code and add a new one. Select the campus for this course. Link this course to an existing program. You can add a color for this course that will be visible in the calendar. Select the date type for the course schedule. Once you complete the information in Step 1, click Next to move to Step 2. If you have any custom fields assigned to the course, review them in Step 2 and add default values if needed. Finally, specify the course type. Once complete, click on Finish. Under Actions, you have the option to edit a course, clone one, or delete. This tutorial guided you through creating and managing courses, including setting course details, custom properties, and finalizing the course setup. You can now edit, clone, or delete courses as needed to maintain your course catalog.